In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly why I think search operators are the most powerful search method to find keywords for Redbubble. The way this works is that we use an advanced Google search directly into Google, and I'm going to show you in great detail how this works, okay? But the first search operator that we need to learn is cite. Cite and then colon, full colon, without a space. This only works on desktop. It does not work on mobile. You have to be on desktop. You cannot put a space. You cannot put capital letters. As you can see, that doesn't work properly. So we want to use no capital letters and no space, cite redbubble.com. The next search operator we need to learn is, and I'll explain why, if I open... So the first thing actually we want to do is put www to remove any subdomains like the blog. And then I'm going to open a random page, and it's going to open this. And then the second search operator we're going to learn is in URL. So we can tell Google to only show us index pages that follow the search operator. So for example, in URL people will only show us results that have people in the URL. Okay, that's not actually what I wanted, so I'm going to put people and then a slash like that. Oops, still not working, so we'll put and the next thing that we want to learn is putting speech marks here. It means show me exactly this. It's not working. I was trying to get it to just show me stores as an example, but that obviously isn't working because there are many examples of the word people in people's designs. Okay, so we'll do in URL shop instead. Okay, and then this shows me people's shops, and then what I normally do is I do minus people, and then everything we see here, if I click here for example, this is a Redbubble search result page. Okay, this method focuses on Redbubble search result pages. Okay, so let me just inspect this element here. So right click and click inspect, and this will take me to the Chrome developer tools. Okay, the thing that I want to show you is it says H1 class Curio shop stickers. Okay, so if I hover over this, it says that this is the H1 class. So the next search operator I'm going to teach you is in title, and then I'm going to write Curio shop, and as you can see that's the one that comes up. Okay, but we don't want that obviously, so you can do in title coffee, okay, or whatever else that we know sells well on Redbubble. The next part of the search operator I want to show you focuses on the part where it says 200 results. So if I just scroll down a little bit on the Chrome developer tools and hover over here, it says div class styles box blah 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 blah. But what I want you to focus on is that this is actually paragraph. This is text. Okay, so in text, and then we can put 1.150 results, and we are now telling Google to show us any search result pages that have coffee in the title and 1 to 150 results in the text. So coffee shop solo, so this has coffee in the title, and it has 1 to 150 results in the text. Okay, so this is why I really like this method. What we can do is we can get rid of the in title coffee, and we can just look for general keywords. There are 208,000 results. The other thing that we can do with search operators, which I really like, is we can tell Google to show us only things that have started indexing in the past week, for example. So if I click past week and then press I'm not a robot, then all of these keywords only started ranking in the past week, so we know that they are fresh, we know that they are hot, and some of these may become trends in the future. You can pair this method with Google Trends to try and find some nice keywords. A couple of other things I want to mention: this can be used with any website, so site Amazon.com, in title t-shirt. This uses exactly the same method, and I found this keyword earlier while I was streaming, and this only has 142 results on Merch by Amazon, so this could be a great Merch by Amazon keyword. You could do site Zazzle.com in URL t-shirt, Nothing really. Okay, wait, we'll do in title t-shirt. Oh my god, I can't write. 338,000 results. Uses the same logic. Put past week, and we just go through here and we see what we can find. So yeah, it works with every single website that we like to use, and I just love this method because it's free. The final thing I want to mention, I feel like this is all of my videos put into one video, but if you want to check the amount of searches, then you can go on Google, type in Ahrefs keyword generator, press here. I'm just going to quickly find that keyword I found earlier, so siteamazon.com in URL, no, in title, t-shirt. I don't know how to write that animal, oxotl or whatever it's called. Tools, anytime, past week. And then we'll open this one here, and we'll use this as an example. So I'm going to go on Ahrefs free keyword generator, type in axotl, do I'm not a robot, and we can see that 1.3 million people searched that. What shit, no way, that's insane. 1,000 people. You kidding me? That's such a good keyword. Look, if I search this, oh, oops. Only 141 results, guys. I don't know if this is copyright. I haven't actually checked if this is copyright, but if this isn't copyright, this is one of the best keywords I've seen in a long time, and this will be great for your own store or to put on merch by Amazon. But if I go on Redbubble, for example, it has many thousands of results. I think when I checked earlier, it was 26,000. Which is absolutely crazy. But actually, one more thing before I go is we can do site redbubble.com in title axotl, in text 1 to 150 results, and then hit enter. Put any time here, nothing. Okay, so this is obviously quite a it's quite a saturated niche, I guess. If I get rid of 1 to 150 results and just put results. Okay, I don't know. I've written Redbubble incorrectly. That's why I'm so stupid. 1 to 150 results. Okay, there we go. So this is where we can find some keywords that are less tapped into. Okay, so definitely check this method out, guys. I love this method. It's free. I'm really intrigued by that keyword. Let's just quickly check it. Oh, nice. If I search this on Google and type Redbubble, it doesn't even come up. Okay, perfect. So this is a great keyword that you will not find in any other place on the internet. I hope this helps, guys. I felt like I needed to actually explain how search operators work because I don't think I ever have. But it uses pretty basic HTML logic to just show us exactly what we're looking for. I'll see you soon with some more content. Check out my live streams if you want me to have a look at your store as well. And peace.